Welcome to Crochet Basics with Melissa from C. Melissa Craft and a Crafter's Paradise. For all my project patterns, tutorials, tips, and tricks, please visit cmelissacraft.com. For all my project kits and supplies, please visit acraftersparadise.com. I'd like to show you how I do a standing double crochet to begin any row or round with a new color. In any of my projects where I'm joining another color or starting with another color, especially on a block like this, which is my crisscross applesauce granny square, you're starting in a different spot on each round than where you ended. So instead of doing a slip stitch, then a chain 3, and then continuing with your double crochets and using that chain 3 as your first double crochet, I like to use what's called a standing double crochet. It gives you a more seamless look and consistent look on your project. So if you can see here, I demonstrated the two methods. So this would be, this one right here is a slip stitch, chain 3, and then continue with the double crochet. So it looks a little out of place in this work. And then I've joined in the traditional method. So now you can see here, this is a standing double crochet. This is also a standing double crochet in which I have then crocheted 2 and done an invisible join. So you can see it gives your project a very clean, consistent look. To do the standing double crochet, so we're going to start with a slip knot. We're going to go wherever we're joining. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and join here. You will, like you do with a double crochet, you will wrap the yarn around your hook. Now you need to keep your finger on your slip knot, otherwise it's just going to loop around on you. So you want to hold here, you want to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So now you get an actual double crochet at the start of your project. I'll just do a double crochet here. As you can see, it's much more consistent and looks much more in place versus this. I'm going to demonstrate it one more time. Begin with a slip knot, tail, loop around your fingers, turn, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And if you'd like to see how I work in this end as I crochet, check out my other video on that.